Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to disable Cloudflare from your website, both temporarily and permanently. Maybe you need to troubleshoot an issue, or perhaps you're ready to move on from Cloudflare entirely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to pause Cloudflare services in a way that suits your needs, without guessing or worrying about breaking something. Let's jump right in with the safest option for most people, pausing Cloudflare. This is perfect if you want to quickly see how your site behaves without Cloudflare's security and performance features. Maybe you're trying to diagnose a CDN or firewall issue. Or you're working with a plugin that doesn't play nicely with Cloudflare. Pausing lets your site's DNS remain registered with Cloudflare, but all the security, caching, and acceleration features are switched off. It's kind of like unplugging a surge protector but leaving the power cable in place. You're not cutting your site off the internet, just temporarily bypassing Cloudflare's filters. To do this, first, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you've never done this before, just head to Cloudflare.com and enter your credentials. Don't worry if it's a bit overwhelming. Cloudflare packs a lot of features into their dash. But you only need to focus on a few key areas today. Once you're logged in, look for your domain in the list. You'll see all the sites you've connected to Cloudflare. Click on the domain you want to manage, and you'll be taken to its overview page. Now, this is the nerve center for your site on Cloudflare. Take a look at the right side of the screen, where you'll find a section labeled Advanced Actions. You may need to scroll down a bit, so don't miss it if you don't see it right away. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Pause Cloudflare on Site. Go ahead and click that. A confirmation pop-up will appear, because Cloudflare wants to make absolutely sure this is really what you want to do. Confirm the action, and that's it. Cloudflare services are now paused. Your visitors will bypass all Cloudflare features and reach your server directly. Keep in mind this is temporary. You can always resume service later. If you ever run into a problem and need to see if Cloudflare is causing it, this is a safe way to rule that out. And don't worry if your site seems a little slower or less protected during this pause. That's normal, since you're now relying entirely on your origin server. Now, what if you want to break up with Cloudflare for good? Sometimes you need a permanent solution, like when you're changing hosting providers or no longer need Cloudflare's features. There's an option for that too, removing your site altogether. Heads up though, if your domain is registered via Cloudflare registrar, you'll need to transfer it to another registrar before you can remove it. Otherwise, Cloudflare can't let go of managing your DNS. Back in your dashboard on that same overview page, scroll down in the Advanced Actions area and click Remove Site from Cloudflare. You'll get another confirmation pop-up. Be sure you're ready for this step, because removing your site really cuts all ties between your domain and Cloudflare. Confirm and you're done. From here, Cloudflare is no longer involved with your site. Remember, this means that all those security and performance features are instantly gone. So only do this if you're sure it's what you want. Alright, that's the full walkthrough. Disabling Cloudflare, whether for just a little while or permanently, is straightforward when you know where to click and what to expect. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And if you have questions or run into any snags along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides to keep your website running smoothly. Thanks for watching.